Hi, it's Millicent from ISA. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm visiting Hunan Herexi instrument and equipment factory. You can see here what kind of instrument it is. Let's go to see. The machine in front of us is the vacuum concentrator centrifuge, and we can see here is our assembling area, and here is the refrigeration unit. And here, those are centrifuge casing, and after several process and assemble, here is the centrifuge products. And here, the worker, he is testing the new product to see whether we need to upgrade or whether we need to adjust it. Here is the dynamic equilibrium area. Here they are labeling the rotor, and we can see we can put the logo or the name on the rotor. Here is the inventory area, and here those are the centrifuge parts. And here is the semi-finished products area. Here are all the semi-products. We can see all this area is our finished products area, and we will packing the machine and send it to our customer. This room is the experimental area, and the worker, they will do the quality test and also the CQ testing.
Laser technology makes foreign trading easier.